Passenger totals at San Diego International Airport mirror the national numbers. The TSA says about 1.3 million passengers moved through the nation's airports on Sunday. On Monday, more than 1 million.
6 feet of distance from others when waiting for your bags.
At the airport, recurring announcements about physical distancing seemed to fall on deaf ears, people bunching up just like in pre-pandemic times as they waited for their luggage. So why chance it?
Well, it's an opportunity for me to get a chance to spend time with my kids and my grandkids for the first time, and this be our first holiday together.
Visiting family and loved ones. That was the reason everybody we talked to gave us for traveling. When it came to the concern level about traveling during this pandemic, the responses ranged from somewhat to not a care in the world.
Because I'm not afraid.
ASHLEY SHAFER just returned from visiting family in Georgia. I asked her, given the fact a COVID infection can be deadly, why she wasn't afraid.
I'm not afraid to die, and I know I'm not going to die. My health is really well. I know how to take care of myself.
We've implemented a number of modifications in the airport.
Airport spokesperson SABRINA LOPICCOLO says the airport has placed floor decals reminding people to physically distance. Plexiglass barriers have gone up. She says high touch points are being disinfected more often and masks are required while on airport property. And
we do have our staff that's walking around and hopefully looking in those areas and trying to break up some of the areas in which perhaps there might be people a little bit closer than that 6-foot distance.
Beyond that, it's up to people to follow the rules.
I'm actually coming from San Francisco.
Nathan Mraz was visiting his girlfriend and her family. He says he wasn't completely comfortable traveling.
I'll be honest, it's not the most ideal situation right now, flying.
Mraz says he was somewhat reassured to learn airlines have upgraded their plane air filtration systems. And SABRINA LOPICCOLO says the airport is awaiting results of a study on if any further improvements can be made to the airport's HVAC systems. She says the next busy travel day they're expecting is after New Year's, when tens of thousands of travelers will likely pass through San Diego International Airport once again. John Carroll, KPBS News.